Roar! Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another Click Look video where we quickly look at various art books and magazines and comics. And today we're looking at this one, which is a monster special. Well, that's what they promised us. It's issue number 22 of the ImagineFX Magazine. So let's go and have a look at this one. So far we've been looking at all of these, which is the 2007 ImagineFX magazines. It's been a very interesting year, this one. So that was issue number 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. And I'll put links and everything in the description for each of these. But so far, my favourite cover is still this one, issue number 15, all the way from March 2007. So we're now into October, issue 22. So is this one going to be able to beat this one in terms of the cover? Felipe the Fox is going to help us find out. Boing! Oh, what a shame it's got all that writing on it. The first thing I'm thinking is, this is going to be brilliant. We've got pin-up art. I love pin-up art. I really love that cover, because like I said, I do love me pin-up art. There's something like cheeky and saucy about it. If that didn't have the text on it, it might have been my favourite. But that's still my favourite. There's a deep emotion in this one. Yeah, the little Felipe baby. So, but let's get into this one. I'm going to hope now that it's got lots of pin-up stuff in it. If this is full of monsters and pin-up art, it's going to be brilliant. Doing. Inside we go. Oh, that's cool. Look, they've got the front and the back cover. The artist because that's a cool cover as well, isn't it? The back cover. Yeah, look how cool that looks without the text on it. Our cover artist is Henning Ludvigsen, and the back cover was Johnny Duddle. Little Johnny Duddle. He's got a cool name, he has. I love the pose on that one. Oh, this is nice. Welcome to issue 22 of ImagineFX. Oh, somebody's obviously died, look. Glenn Angus. I like it when they do that though, when you get like the Wolverine. Oh, what a shame. Yeah. Look, 1970 to 2007. So that would be like me dying in 2017. So he was only 37. God, that's mad. That's mad, that is. But what I will say is, it looks like he was a very talented artist. Glenn Angus. Here's the contents. Beautiful. Look, little fairy there for, like a little angel fairy for Glenn. That's what I'm thinking. And now you got like what is he, do you reckon? He looks like somebody who'd work for the Grim Reaper, like a collector of souls or something. That's interesting. I quite like that one actually. This is the FXPosé section. What a sexy pose. Very sexy. I like that one as well. Oh, I like that one. Like like a transformer or something. That's cool as well. I love this FXPosé section. Yeah, in the old days, like 2007, this FXPosé section was very hit and miss, but every so often you'd get something really beautiful. Whereas nowadays, the FXPosé section is like page after page of just beautiful things. Bums. We like little bums. Become a published book illustrator. Look, piggy. Piggies. Little pigs. Yeah. Oh, I love that. Super Gerbil. He's cool, isn't he? Super Gerbil. See, I'd like to read a comic about him. Comic-Con 2007. ImagineFX receive a training. Oh, that would have been cool. Look, you got a free DVD there, look. Wouldn't it be nice if they gave gifts to current subscribers? In other words, if you've been subscribed for, say, a year, they sent you a random gift. That would be nice, wouldn't it? Instead, what they tend to do is, they always tend to give like gifts to new subscribers, which makes you feel a bit like, I've always thought it's better to reward loyalty. Look at that, look, a double page for the letters. That's interesting. Wonder why they've done that then. Artist Q&A. I like this one. That's cool. Stone circles, look. She's not really smiling, she isn't. You can tell she's not actually smiling. Like, that smile doesn't feel like a proper smile. A bit like the Mona Lisa, I suppose. The Art of Cole Eastburn. I like that. Yeah, look, dragon hunter he is. Oh, cool, he goes after dragons. He would be a cool character for like a comic or something. Yeah, you can just tell he doesn't, you know, he's like a badass. That's a cool character as well. Grave Knight. This artist has got some very... They've got characters you could sort of base a whole world around. Chris Moore. Nice head shape. Yeah, these are a bit too clean for me. Greg Staples. Judge Dredd, look. Dread and Death. Oh yeah. I like this artist's style. I like the way that dress is alive. It's cool, isn't it? I've always liked it when you get grey with red. It's a nice colour combination. That one's called Morrigan. Yeah, here he is, look. The Dreadster. Captain America versus Wolverine. See, this is my limited knowledge, but why would Wolverine be fighting Captain America? As I say, I don't know nothing. Nobody tells me nothing. FXPosé Pro. That's a nice shape. That looks like Hellboy's girlfriend, Hellgirl. Superman! Venom, isn't it? Spider-Man something or other. Spider-Man 3. And that's the bloke from the pirate thing. Pirates of the Caribbean, Jack Sparrow. I love that. Oh, look how much cooler it would have been if it didn't have any text on it. They've also changed the colours. Oh, look at the look at that pose there, look. Beautiful poses. See, I'd like to look into this artist. Henning Ludvigsen. Because if they've created more pin-ups, yeah, be nice, that will. I like that. Cheeky it is. Feathers and angel wings. See now, look how nice that expression looks. Beautiful, that one. That would have been a nice cover as well. If that had been the cover art, it probably would have been my favourite. Original comic covers. It's interesting. Little hamster look. Dollar Comics. Paint a sexy siren. I've seen this one before. I love that shape. I like that. I like the feel of these like the shapes of them. I like the shapes of these characters. Yeah, I've definitely seen that one before. It was probably in one of those ImagineFX books. Portrait speed painting. This is next week's one. Oh, I know what that cover is. I remember this one. Look, it's a beautiful fit. That might end up being my favourite cover, actually. I remember seeing that one. Hey, Brian Frodd. Oh, cool. It's going to be a fairy special, is it? Cool, I can't wait for that. Custom brushes. Number 4. Plop. The DVD's in here as well. Yeah, they haven't even taken it out the wrapper. Here's all your workshop files. Traditional art, top 10 traditional art tools. I wonder if they've got a... No, they haven't. I was going to say that a mono eraser pen. That would be my number 1, that would. That's nice. Who's this then? DX Studio. Painting dragons in watercolour, look. Battlestar Galactica, I loved that, I used to love that. I like the ending as well. I know some people didn't like the ending of that. It's a bit like Robin Williams. What have we got colouring in? Just your basic colouring in. There's something funny about them doing that. ImagineFX activities. Plop. That's that one. Issue number 22. Yeah, another fun one. I like that one. I especially like this fairy character and the pin-up character. Yeah, and I like this artist as well. I feel like they create really good characters with like backstories. So I hope you enjoyed that. Here's a look at issue number 22 of the ImagineFX magazine. And next week we're going to have this one, which looks like it's going to be a very special. So, and look at the one after that as well, look. That's almost like Star Wars. Reminds me. And look at the last one as well. So we've got some beautiful covers coming up by the looks of things. So I hope you come back for those. And I hope you enjoyed this one. Look what they've done with the dog tag. See how the dog tag is shiny. See, little things like that are just brilliant. What I would have done as well, I would have made fingernails like that. Oh, they did it with the bullets, look. I would have had the dog tags and her fingernails. I wonder if they did her lips. No. Her little glasses. I hope you enjoyed that though, and I shall see you later for another one.